Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you how I prepare my roll-up sahena. And for those of you who do not know what roll-up sahena is, it is a very popular street food in Trinidad made with Dasheen bush leaves and other ingredients. This is deep fried and served with any of your favorite chutney. Today I will be serving this with tamarind chutney, and the link for this tamarind chutney will be listed in the description box or at the top right hand corner. Here I have my Dasheen bush bhaji, and like I said, it is made with the leaves, and I will go ahead by separating the stem from the leaves. Depends on what part of the world you are looking on from. You may call this taro leaf. I'm getting my gloves in order here because these leaves tend to stain fingers very badly. If you do not have gloves, you can just use some lemon or lime at the tip of your fingers to prevent staining. Now using a knife, make a little slit at the top there and pull down gently. Avoid ripping that leaf. There's a little tip there. You would want to remove that tip because that tends to scratch the back of your throat. Let me go ahead and show you another one. Make a little slit at the top there and pull down gently. Just like that. And remove the tip. Oops, that's a big tip. Continue, and as you go along, make sure you look out for any little insect that may be stuck onto the leaf. After you're done, put it in some lemon water just for like about 5 minutes and give it a good rinse 2 or 3 times and put it to drain. While that is draining out there now, let's see about the ingredients for the paste. Here I have the grind dhal or split peas powder, some all-purpose flour, green seasoning. I will use some lemon juice again, baking powder, curry powder, salt, turmeric, geera, and some chili flakes. Now add all the ingredients together in this bowl. Here I have the grind dhal, and now I'm adding the flour, baking powder, and salt. In goes the geera. This gives it such an amazing flavor. In there the turmeric to give it that nice bright color, and the curry powder. Don't worry guys, don't get excited. I'm not going to add any ketchup in there at all. In goes the chili flakes, and you can use some fresh ground pepper or you can simply omit that. Now in goes my grind seasoning, and the link for this grind seasoning will be listed in the description box or at the top right hand corner. Not forgetting my few drops of lemon juice. Now using some room temperature water, you're going to mix all these together because we do not want any lumps in there. It needs to be a nice consistency that will be easy to paste onto the leaves. Gradually add water because you do not want this to be too runny. Look at that. This is more or less the consistency that you would want, but to me I think it's a little bit too thick, so I am going to add a little bit more water, and that will be a little bit more manageable whilst putting it onto the leaves. Taste for salt, I added some more salt and jeera to get that final taste that I'm looking for. And now it's perfect and time to spread onto those leaves. Here I have my leaf, and some leaf has that thick vein. I went ahead and trim it down. You can use your bilna and flatten it out as well, but I'm using my little ponger thingy there and pounding it out so it will be flat and nice. Now we're going to start a paste. Make sure you paste this all over. Get that paste all to the ends there. Look at that. All to the ends, because this, you will have to paste this and add one leaf on top, then paste and a leaf again. Just like that. You see, one leaf goes there. Paste, paste, paste. Make sure you get it all to the ends. Again, another leaf goes on top until it gets into a large circle. As you can see, that circle got a little bigger, and that circle is done now. So take one end, pull it in like this, the other end like this, and make sure the size that you're rolling, it can fit into your pot. take some paste and paste it onto those two ends that you folded in. Now from this end, start rolling, and you would want to roll this very tight because you do not want any air pockets in there. You do not want that sahena to loose out in the pot when you are frying it. This tends to be the most difficult part in the whole process. Keep rolling it, and as you can see, I'm holding it down and continue rolling. Roll it, baby. Roll it, baby. Yes, guys, you gotta have some fun while cooking. Just like that, it is done. And now I'm going to place it onto a piece of foil and wrap it into that foil so when it goes into the pot, no water will get inside there. Look at that. Nicely and neatly done. Into the pot now, I'm going to add some water onto my little makeshift steamer. Add enough water so it will steam properly. And as you can see, it was a little too long, so I cut it into two pieces. Now cover this and allow it to steam for like 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes now, you uncover the pot and turn those logs of sahena onto the other side because you want both sides to cook properly. Be careful, you do not want to burn yourself. We got sahena to fry and enjoy. Nice. Cover it for another 5 minutes. When that is done, allow it to cool down, unwrap the foil, and now it's time to cut. Cut into slices that you prefer. If you go more on the thinner side, remember to adjust the oil properly so it would not be burnt and taste bitter. So all is nicely cut here now, and the oil is ready. The oil is hot, and in goes the sahena. Now you can add some paste at the top there, but as you can see, this is tightly wrapped and I do not really like the paste at the top. This is nice and tight and it would not loose out into the pot. So allow this to fry on both sides for like 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And if you enjoy this video so far, remember to let me know at the bottom where you're looking on from, and you might be the next person to get a shout out. Today's shout out goes to Sharida Wahab, Charlene Scott, and Pamo Mahavir. Look at that. Turn it until it gets a nice golden color or the color that you prefer. Do not allow this to burn because it would not taste nice. It will taste bitter, guys. So all is ready here now, and I'm going to remove it from the oil, place it onto a paper towel for that excess oil to drain out. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks, guys. You can have that without the chutney itself. And there you have it, nicely plated, my sahena and tamarind chutney. Remember, if you like this video, give me that nice big thumbs up, leave me a comment at the bottom, like, share, subscribe, follow me for more exciting recipes. Thank you for watching.